Alright, so I know I haven't uploaded in a while, even though it's summer break because, well, I just don't have video ideas, I don't have anything to do, so too bad. But I do have ideas for upcoming videos, and by that I mean I have one idea that doesn't relate to keyboards, and spoilers, it's about Dark Souls. Now, I was looking through the comments of my past videos, and I'm just amazed by the insightful comments, the thought-provoking questions that you guys asked me. And I noticed a lot of things. People wanted to hear a typing test of my Alice keyboard. Well, none of you guys, of course, but I wanted to do it, so who gives a fuck? Right before the typing test, though, unless you want to skip past this part, I'm going to give you a very quick rundown of the board. Alright, so let's take a look under the hood. To look at the switches underneath, which are Telios V2s, lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0. I also have lubed, clipped GMK stabs, lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0, and the wires are lubed with dielectric grease. You don't say lube, do you? You just gunk them up with dielectric, whatever. The PCB is the Project Keyboards Alice Rev 2 PCB that ran like a year ago or something, I forgot. And then now for the most interesting part of this whole build, which was the case. For the case, I use Zombuman's Lubrigante / Alice cutout files. So essentially, as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it that well, but this is essentially layers of cut out pieces of stainless steel, which are screwed together using M3 screws. And I spray painted the whole thing black and shoved the PCB in there with a piece of sound dampening foam. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. I'll link Zombuman's files in the description so you can use them yourself. Also, final touch. Mitsuha.